Hiya, it's Helen from Hell of a Cake, and in today's video I'll be making a Simba cake topper. I've already made Simba with a yellow body and mouth. Today I'm making him in cream just so that you can see the difference in colour and have a choice. Today I'm going to start off by doing his body. Roll some sugar paste into a pear shape, making sure you use the base of the palm to get the rounded tummy shape. Then use your little finger to get the chest line into the middle. Mark out your back legs so they're at the same height. Remember to get your thumbs in there so it smooths it out. Push back as you're smoothing so you have space for your front legs. Make sure you secure the cocktail stick in so we can join the head up later. As you can see, by pushing his legs back earlier, we now have space for the front legs. Time for Simba's chest. With the cream sugar paste, roll it in the palms of your hands. Flatten and cut. Apply it to the front of his chest. Wow, how proud does this look? Now to make his front legs. Remember to roll using the palms of your hands. Flatten one side, then roll with your fingers. Attach to the body and repeat for the other leg. Moving on with 4 balls of paste to make his paws. Flatten the ball with your finger and use the curve tool to make his 3 toes. Make sure to enhance the paw by going around each toe so it looks more defined and not square. Now his body's complete, let's move on to the head. Roll the paste into an egg shape and using your 2 little fingers, press gently down at midway point to make the eye sockets in the nose. Finish shaping the nose with the curve tool on all sides and smooth off with your fingers. Now for the cheeky bit, I'm using the curve tool to get the definition for the cheeks. Need to make his mouth now, so I'm doing it in 2 stages. Use a small amount of paste, shape it into an oblong shape and attach it below the cheek and nose area. Smooth out with fingers, press down in the nose area and add a centre line. On to the second stage, adding his lower jaw. Nip the 2 sides, attach, then blend the inner mouth lines together with the tool. Time for his nose. Complete the bridge of his nose and insert some whisker dimples. Using some darker paste, cut out 2 oblong shapes and attach them to the eye socket. plunger tool, I'm cutting, then fitting his first part of the eye in a diagonal position. Cut out 2 small circles and attach. Time for his eyebrows. Make them bushy by using your small scissors. To make each eye look realistic, just add a black line. Now we're adding his facial features. I always think lions look better with tiny little whiskers coming down the side. With some edible paint, just paint a white dot. I'm applying some brown now to colour in his iris. When attaching his head, fit it in an angle, as this enhances the character and the cuteness. Here we go, time for the ears. Cut out a circle, cut a bit of the bottom of the circle and fold it over. Handy little tip, as you're folding the ear over, put your finger in the middle of the ear. Now attach onto the head and blend in the lines with your tool. Repeat the same process again for the other ear. Whilst I've got this colour out, I'm just adding his hair. I've added some pink for his tongue. Oh, and don't forget the line around his mouth. Pop some pink in for the ears and smooth it out with the tool. To make his ears look even better, add a brown rim and flatten into position. And finally, 3 little whiskers on each side. And here we have the finished Simba. If you're interested in more designs, make sure to like the video, don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell on. Until next time.